Welcome to the TDM Windows installation via HTTP video. In this video, we'll walk you through installing TDM step by step. The process has 4 main steps. 1. Create database schemas and tables. 2. Install TDM Web. 3. Install SDG. 4. Final checks. Before you start, 1. Install the SDM repository via the SDM Web console. 2. Stop SDM if it's currently running. Step 1. Create database schemas and tables. 1. Open the TDM script's TDM initial installation directory. 2. Open the TDM script file with Notepad. 3. Copy the content. 4. Connect to the database and run the SQL script to create TDM schemas. 5. Refresh the Schemas section to confirm the TDM schemas have been created. Step 2. Install TDM Web. 1. Go to the TDM installation folder and find tdminstaller.jar and tdminstaller.bat. 2. Copy these files and paste to the /obt/bin directory. 3. In the /obt/bin folder, run tdminstaller.bat. 4. When the welcome window appears, verify the TDM version, then click Next. 5. In the Summary Configuration Data window, confirm the installation path, then click Next. 6. In the User Data window, enter the PostgreSQL database connection details correctly. Then click Next. 7. Enter the SDM admin username and password, then click Next. 8. In the Perform External Processes window, click Next once processing is complete. 9. When the Installation Finished window appears, click Done to complete the TDM installation. Step 3. Install Synthetic Data Generation SDG. Make sure SDM Web Console is running before starting the SDG installation. 1. Go to the given folder path and copy SQL.properties. 2. Go to OBT Home Extensions folder and paste SQL.properties. 3. Go to the SDG installation folder and run the SDG installer.bat file. 4. When prompted, press N for a non-distributed installation of the SDG engine. 5. Press Enter to use the default path, or specify your preferred path. 6. Press N to disable SSL protocol. 7. Press N to disable the TLS 1.3 protocol. 8. Press Y to select a self-signed certificate for the environment. 9. Enter the host IP of the machine where SDM is installed. 10. Enter the port number where the SDM Web Console is running. 11. Enter the server name of the current machine and press Y to confirm. The SDG engine installation will start. Once completed, Docker Desktop will prompt you to grant file sharing permissions. Click Yes for all prompts. Step 4. Final checks. 1. Open the command prompt to verify the TDM installation. 2. Access TDM through the browser to confirm the setup is working properly. The installation should now be complete and functioning smoothly. For more detailed information on each step, please refer to the TDM installation guide. Thanks for watching. Enjoy using TDM.